A rat and a diamond is the subject of today's moral story. The moral of the story is when idiots become rich, they stop mixing with others. I say welcome to all my new viewers on this channel and thanks for those who are already connected with us. To know about the story in detail, so stay connected with us. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim wa salatu wa salam ala Rasul al-Kareem. Me is Khan Ghulam Mustafa Baloch and you are watching our YouTube channel Harf Harf Haqiqat. It is said that once a rat swallowed the diamond of a rich person. The rich person was much worried about his diamond and he didn't know how to get it back. He thought a lot about it. At last, the owner of the diamond contacted a man to kill the rat. When the hunter came to kill the rat, there were more than 1,000 rats gathered, but one rat was sitting alone. The hunter saw the rat sitting alone and killed it, and the owner was surprised that it was the same rat that swallowed the diamond. The surprised diamond owner asked, "How did you know it was the same rat?" The hunter replied, "Very easy, it is not difficult to understand it. When the idiot become rich, or gain a position in society, they stop mixing with others." Moral of the story is when God answers your long-waited prayers, maintain your normal profile and don't be proud. When God gives you a lot, say thanks to Him and don't fall in pride. Thanks for being with us. If you like this video, please like, share, and give your comments in the comment box. Please keep me in your prayers. It is yours, Khan Ghulam Mustafa Baloch.